Good morning. Here we are, just about to set off on the Oman Fuel Challenge 2019 for Mercedes-Benz. This is our new Actros, which we launched back in November 2018. Naveen, our driver, is going to take us down to Duqm today. So we will take the Muscat Expressway, head down towards Nizwa, and then we have a straight road through the desert down to Duqm. The reason for doing this part of the trial is just to show you that we have the best fuel consumption in our vehicles on normal highways. So you will see that we have now reset our figures back to zero, and the fuel trial begins in about the next 2 minutes. We've arrived now in Duqm at the Crown Plaza, 552 kilometres done. We had a strong speed at around 66k and it took us 8 hours and 20 minutes. But we took a tough route out of Muscat and we took a tough route down here through the desert. So I'm very much looking forward to, once we have the figures ratified, to see exactly how well our truck has done. Because on these highways, it is by far the most fuel efficient truck in Oman at this current period. So day 2 of the Oman Fuel Challenge 2019. This morning we are leaving to drive to Hamar, where one of ZTC's Mercedes-Benz dealerships are placed. It's roughly a 200 kilometre visit. We will leave in the next 5 minutes, and then from Hamar we're going to travel down to Salalah, but via Tumrate, where there are some extremely challenging hills, extremely challenging roads that we'll be able to demonstrate and show the fantastic capabilities of our new Actros. Here we are, we've arrived in Hamar at ZTC Mercedes-Benz. Only a short trip this time, it was only 180 kilometres, but I'm reliably informed and I've checked myself, our fuel figures are increasing by the kilometre, which is fantastic news. So now we have a long slog. We're going to leave our dealership here in Hamar and travel over to Tumrate. Tumrate has some quite challenging roads, flat for some part, and then 2 fantastic mountains that we will climb through. Again, to show you what I said earlier, the capabilities of our truck. We'll then coast down the nice long hill into Salalah this evening for a well-earned rest. Good morning, here we are in Salalah on day 3 of the Oman Fuel Challenge 2019. As you can see, another beautiful morning, but every morning in Oman is beautiful. We're off to get the trucks filled up, hook onto the trailers and see how we compare fuel figure wise compared to our 2 main competitors. Day 3 has started. Our FH, MAN manual, MAN Tiptronic, Tipmatic, our Actros and of course the SFTP. Up to the mountains to start load 1 of 3 today to prove we're the most fuel efficient vehicle. Let's do this, come on. Good evening. Here we are on almost the end of day 3, bang in the middle of Majan mining. We're just about to pick up our last load. So as you can see, the SFTP is looking fine. The mine is in the background. I'm confident that this is from our last loads. Our figures are going to be superb. So thank you very much. We're going to pick up our last load, trundle back into Salalah, drop it at the port and take the vehicles back to Majan mining. Been a fantastic day. Everybody's worked extremely hard. We're back in Majan mining's yard and we're now just doing the final test by fueling all the vehicles back up to get the exact fuel figures. So tomorrow we'll have everything and we'll know exactly how we've all performed during the day. Here we are, back in Muscat after a fantastic and successful fuel challenge. From Muscat to Salalah, and then whilst in Salalah, we worked with our partner, Majan Mining. The results have come out and we have got fantastic news. We can officially say that we are the most fuel efficient vehicle in our fuel tests. Great on the highway, fantastic in the mountains, on some of the most arduous and difficult roads and difficult conditions for our trucks to work in. The safety, the fuel efficiency and the comfort of our vehicle is groundbreaking. So I can promise you, this fuel challenge is the first of many. I must give a big thank you to my staff here at ZTC who worked tirelessly, and for our partners at MENA who were fantastic to work with, and finally a big thank you to our partner down in Salalah, Majan Mining. Until next time, thank you very much. Thank you.